In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix dead pixels on the 3DS. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly fix any of these dead pixels that might appear on your 3DS. So regardless of the model, if you have a 3DS, 3DS XL, new 3DS, or even 2DS, these dead pixels can often appear. This can be because of physical issues. For example, if you dropped your console, they might appear as sort of a crack or something on the screen, or oftentimes they will just appear out of nowhere. So the main thing that you can try to do is to apply pressure on them. Of course, don't apply too much pressure, be gentle. Press down on them and see if they move or change in any significant way. These might be slight movements, some of them might disappear while others may remain, and if you notice that pressure is working, then you can slowly make your way around the dead pixel to make sure that they are fully gone. This can be helpful, especially if they are on the corner and you can sort of push them away to make sure that the screen is fully working. Sometimes, by simply giving it a lot of time, the dead pixels can also go away. So a lot of users report having dropped their 3DS, and after giving it a day or two without using the 3DS, they automatically shrink and eventually vanish. So this is another consideration if you don't mind leaving your 3DS to rest for a certain amount of time. If you notice that the dead pixels are still stuck, then sadly there isn't much that you can try to do. I would recommend applying pressure, giving it time, and if it still does not work, the best course of action is going to require a homebrew on your 3DS. For a video of this nature, I will not be showing you how to apply homebrew on your 3DS, but if you know how to do this, or if you would like to learn more, you can download a tool like SPF, available on GitHub, Stuck Pixel Fixer. This is essentially going to be an application that you download onto your 3DS, and upon running it, it is going to cycle the screen through all main colors such as red, green, blue. By doing this over and over, it can sometimes help resolve stuck pixels, but if the pixel is fully dead, then sadly there isn't much to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix dead pixels on 3DS. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.